Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with some happy mail that I'm sharing. One of these is from Elsa, the bargain hunter. I think that's her YouTube. Hopefully there's information. And we did a Halloween card swap. And so this is her. Look at, she put her washi here. And this is her card. How cute. Look at this trim. I'd never seen this. With the jack-o'-lanterns. Can you see it? Is my lighting? Let's fix that. Close some curtains here. Is that better? There you go. I love how these candlelight shimmer too. They've got foil on the candlelight. And the teeth and the spider, and it says trick or treat, spooky and sweet. Thank you, Elsa. It says, may your day be filled with lots of spookiness and crawly creatures. No, I don't want crawly creatures. Happy Halloween, my crafty friend, Elsa, the bargain hunter crafter. So I will have her link of her YouTube channel in my description box below, so you can go check her out. Happy Halloween, Elsa. Thank you so much. And this next one is from Miss Tree, and I'm not sure what it is for, but let's check this out. So it says thanks. Oh, how pretty this is. And she's been working with wire wrapping. That is not easy by any means. And then she has a couple layered papers here. And the flowers have little gemmies in the middle that sparkle. She's added some sequin mixes with some seed beads in the sequence. It's not a sequence mix, just sequence. So let's see. Oh, and she blessed me with these notes. I love using these. Sometimes I feel like I'm wasting them, but how else am I going to use them? Like, I do tab. I use them at work to tab everywhere my boss needs a signature and initial. And I try to use them, you know, more than one time. But once the sticky starts wearing off, then I toss them. But that's mostly what I use them for. But so thank you. Thank you, thank you. It says, Dear Maka, thank you so much for participating in the World Card Making Day. Loved all the cards you made. God bless you and yours, Trees. Yes, I did. She was a host of our card making day celebration we had in the beginning of November, and so that's what she's thanking me for. I appreciate it. Remember me next year. I will join that collab again. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day, and until my next video, shakas.